Hello, I'm in a 2005 Subaru Baja, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then towards the driver's side, you should see this coolant reservoir as well as the top of your radiator. And working with this system, you need to make sure the vehicle is turned off and it's cooled down, just because this coolant system works under pressure and can get hot to a boil. So you don't want to risk having a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you, especially if you're dealing with the radiator. But when you're ready to add, make sure double check your owner's manual, look good online, search if you've got the best coolant type for your make and model. And typically you also want to match the same color and type of coolant to what's already in here if you're able. Better not to mix and match. And that said, to add it, just pop this open. This would be the main reservoir you add to normally if you need to add. And either with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug. Just start filling as needed till you get to the full mark down on the side. So there's supposed to be some air gaps, don't fill all the way to the top, but just around that full mark. When you're done, pop this closed again. If it got really low, then you might want to check under here as well in the radiator. Which to open this, you just push down slightly, twist about twice, and this pops right off. And you'd see coolant right here, and you could add some more if you needed to. But when you're done, screw this back on all the way nice and tight. Especially this one, is because this works under pressure. You don't want a bunch of coolant spraying out. But once you have these all topped off and back tight, I would probably start the motor again for a few minutes to run the new coolant through the system. And while it does that, I would check around all your engine bay, under all the lines, under the radiator, under the vehicle, see if you see any liquid forming. If there is coolant starting to puddle, that could be an indication there might be a crack or a leak somewhere in that area that would need addressed. And a way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it, slight sweetness smell, and you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water feels like. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.